Welcome to my financial era. Today we will discuss about the way by which you can maximize the PPF benefits, save tax, and earn safe returns with the best PPF investment tips. The PPF, or Public Provident Fund, was launched under the 1968 Act. It is a government-backed savings scheme offering guaranteed returns, tax-free maturity, and sovereign safety. Let's look at its main features. Minimum investment, 500 rupees per year. Maximum, 1.5 lakh rupees per year. Lock-in period, 15 years. Interest, currently 7.1% per annum, which is revised quarterly. Tax status, E. Exempt. 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 That means your deposits, the interest you earn, and the maturity amount are all completely tax-free. Want to grow your PPF faster and smarter? Here are 4 expert tips. Number 1. Invest early in the financial year. Starting in April, PPF calculates interest monthly. Investing early means more interest for the full year. Also, try to invest before 5th April to get interest for April month also. Number 2. Aim to invest the full amount, that is 1.5 lakh rupees, to enjoy maximum tax savings and higher compounding. Number 3. Use PPF for retirement planning. The 15-year lock-in and 5-year extension options make PPF perfect for building a secure retirement fund. Number 4. Open PPF for family members. Open separate accounts for your spouse or children. While the 1.5 lakh rupees Section 80C limit applies individually, but it includes your children, you can still diversify and plan better. You can easily open a PPF account online or offline through nationalized banks like SBI, PNB, private banks like HDFC, ICICI, and post offices across India. It's quick, paperless, and gives you full control of your long-term investment. PPF isn't just a tax-saving tool. It's a powerful long-term strategy for wealth creation, retirement planning, and financial peace of mind. If you found this helpful, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my financial era. Also, watch best time to invest in PPF, monthly versus yearly strategy, and can you open 2 PPF accounts? Truth revealed.